have this feeling inside me that I always try to hide. This feeling has never ended, didn't ever subside. I realized escaping it would only cause me pain. So I try to forget about it, but feeling it only remains. Tell me we will never survive. Stop my feels and keeping inside, holding back my soul from being close to you. Here I am all alone, so lost in confusion, not knowing how to help myself arrive at that decision. I can't get you out of my mind. I don't know